Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, back with a what I cook for dinner this week video. This video is actually sponsored by Home Chef, who was kind enough to send me these meals to try out and share with you guys. I do have a discount code, which is Grady's Mom 30. It'll be down in the description box below to save $30 off your first week of meals. Home Chef has 18 meal options per week, so there's a lot of variety. All the recipes are really easy to follow, whether you're a beginner or a pro, and you can pause or skip a week and really customize a lot of things. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll share with you everything I cooked this week. Alright guys, so here's our plates. I have a hot spicy sausage and a sweet, some of the I think it's the Man's yellow rice, and then some tri-colored peppers and sweet red onions, and we did everything on the grill except the rice. And this is dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. For dinner tonight, Grady asked for a peanut butter sandwich, so I actually used, I've been using this crafted Nature's Own bread. I really like the multi-grain, but my son will only eat the white. So it's a piece of that with the crust off with some creamy peanut butter. He's got some red grapes, a Polly-O cheese stick, and then a little, I think this is like a blueberry plate, little yogurt. And that's what I'll have tonight with some water. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made, once again, those stuffed turkey patties, or you could also say they're turkey burgers, but I have them without a bun, so I'm just calling them turkey patties. I do have a whole video I did on these. They have baby spinach and feta cheese and sun-dried tomatoes and garlic. They're delicious. A much healthier alternative to like a beef burger. So if you want to see how to make these, I'll link it below in the description box. I did some of the Super Blend Walmart veggies, which I've been obsessed with. It's Brussels sprouts and kohlrabi and carrot and kale. Sauteed it up, and I always put a little bit of the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. And then I did my glazed brown sugar and butter carrots. I have a whole video, I believe, on these. I think I did a complete meal, like cook with me. So I'll link that video down below as well. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. So this first recipe that I'm making from Home Chef looks really good. It's the Thai pork lettuce wraps, and you guys know I love me some lettuce wraps. I actually have a video that I did a while back, just my version, and this one looks really, really good. I actually just tasted some of it, and it's excellent, so I cannot wait to plate these up and show you guys. Alright, so our first dinner tonight, here is the final plate. These gorgeous pork Thai lettuce wraps with some nice slaw on top and some cilantro and some dipping sauce. Everything was good to go and super easy to assemble. And I also made on the side just some sticky rice with a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, just as like a little side dish. I'm actually going to scoop a little bit of my rice onto our lettuce wraps. And this is dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, my son is having 2 scrambled eggs and a Thomas Nook and Cranny, like an English muffin style bagel, and also a banana. So this is what he is having tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made some naan pizzas. I have a whole video on all of our favorite recipes to grill, and this is included in that video from last summer, I believe. But yes, just some naan pizzas. They puff up really nice in the grill. And this one has pesto base with mozzarella cheese, some red pepper flakes, some fresh sliced tomato, some fresh sliced up mushrooms. And my husband's has the pesto base with the mozzarella, parmesan, some turkey pepperoni, and then some fresh yellow and red tomatoes. And these are the perfect size, kind of like a personal size pizza for us, and this is dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner today, Grady is having a grilled cheese sandwich with some sharp cheddar and some mandarin oranges, and then some pretzels, and then he's gonna have a water. And this is what he's having tonight. Hey guys, so this is the next recipe I'm trying from Home Chef, and this one is the beef and poblano tamale pie, and it has like a cornbread topping on it, and it looks really good. So I'm going to scoop it out into some bowls and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, guys. To be honest, it almost reminds me of like a Mexican version of a Mexican shepherd's pie. With the cornbread crust, and the cornbread has like cheese and green onion and poblano peppers mixed in with the meat. It's really, really good, and this one was really easy as well. So this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I'm doing another of those Home Chef meals. This one is the BBQ Cheddar-Stuffed Turkey mini meatloaves, and they look and smell delicious. So this meal kit came with everything you see here, all the ingredients to make the little cheddar stuffed turkey meatloaves, and the potatoes for the mashed potatoes that you just boil, the broccoli that you season and toss in olive oil and roast it. So it's a really good dinner. It's something that I would make anyway, so it's not really that far out of the norm for us at all. It looks super delicious. I'm really excited to dig in. This is what we're having tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I actually wanted to share quickly the last meal that I made from Home Chef. This one is the Tex Mex Steak Sandwich, which looks like this, and voila, and it looks really good. This one had some homemade fries that you make with the potatoes they provide, and there's a little cilantro on top. Everything came out delicious with the homemade pico and the caramelized onions, and even the rolls are nice and toasty. So it looks really good, and we're gonna dig in. Hey guys, so we're having some breakfast for dinner tonight. As you can see, some French toast, hash brown casserole, and some sausages. Thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring this video. I will leave my link right in the description box below. Again, the code is GradysMom30 to save $30 off your first week. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share it, and I will see you guys in the next one.